Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and basic sensor alignment. Check the AC adapter and backup battery. If the battery reads below 12V, replace it now. Once done, inspect door and window sensors for dirt or misalignment and realign them so the magnet and sensor sit within 1/2 inch. Make sure the control panel displays power and the expected ready or armed icons. This prevents false triggers and narrows the issue quickly. You then perform a systematic reset and zone testing sequence. Put the system into a walk test mode and trigger each sensor to see which zone reports activity. Noting numbers helps isolate the fault. Next, power cycle the control panel by unplugging AC, removing the battery, and waiting 30 seconds before restoring power, which clears transient faults. While powered down, inspect terminal screws and wiring for looseness or corrosion. Tighten or clean any poor connections to restore reliable signaling. You complete the repair by replacing confirmed faulty components and updating firmware. Swap out any damaged sensors, frayed wires, or a weak backup battery, because physical wear often causes repeated alarms. Then check for and apply control panel firmware updates using the manufacturer app or USB. Updates fix known software glitches. Finally, if problems persist, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings or contact technical support. Troubleshooting tip: log error codes and take photos of connections to speed remote diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.